Hello class 8. This video is the continuation part of percentage chapter. Now I will do sum number 28. We have the speed of Shyam is 20% more than that of Ram. What is the time taken to Shyam to cover a distance which Ram takes 6 hours to cover? That means if I take the Ram speed is x kilometer per hour, then the speed of Shyam is 20% more of Ram. That means x plus x into 20 by 100. So I will write, let the speed of Ram equal to x kilometer per hour. Therefore, the speed of Shyam equal to x plus x into 20 by 100 kilometer per hour. This is equal to x plus x by 5. This is equal to 5x. This is 5x plus x, that is 6x by 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, this is Shyam's speed. In 6 hours, Ram goes 6x kilometer, and in 6 hours Shyam goes same distance. What is the time taken by Shyam to cover a distance which Shyam takes 6 hours to cover? That means in 6 hours Shyam goes 6 kilometer and Shyam goes, we have to find the time, required time for Shyam to cover 6x kilometer distance. We have to find the distance of the time that Shyam will take to cover the distance 6x kilometer. Okay, that means Shyam's speed is this. So distance by speed equal to distance by the distance by speed. This is equal to time. I know time equal to distance by speed. That is equal to speed 6x by 5. Sorry, distance equal to 6x and speed 6x by 5. 6x by 5. This is hour. So 5 hour. Shyam takes, so answer is Shyam takes 5 hours to go the distance that Shyam has already covered. So answer is the required time is 5 hour. That the required time of Shyam is 5 hours. That distance Ram covered with 6 hours. Okay. Now I will go in sum number 29. Sum number 29, it is given that the monthly salary of a man is rupees 2750. He spent rupees 825 for the education of his children. Find the percentage of the salary which the man spends for the education of his children. Monthly salary is 2750. That means it is given that monthly salary equal to rupees 2750. He spends equal to rupees 825 for education. So required percentage of education, required percentage of education equal to 825 by 2750 into 100%, 25,110, 25,4. This is equal to 522,575. 211, 150 by 825 by 2750 by 100. This is this is equal to 51. Calculation is wrong. 825 by 2750 into 100. 0 cancel out. This is 3. This is equal to 30%. Okay. This will be the answer. Now I am going to the sum number 30. It is given that 60% of boys of a school play football and the rest of them play cricket. That means 40% boys play cricket. If there are 160 cricket players in that school, find the total number of boys of that school and the number of football players. So, what will I do? 60% boys, it is given that 60% boys play football. That means 60 minus 100 minus 60%, that is 40% boys play cricket. Okay. There are 160 cricket players in that school. There are 160 cricket players in that school. That means when 40 boys, when total strength is 100, when 40 boys, when 40 boys play football, play cricket, then total strength equal to 100. Okay, total strength equal to 100. If one boy plays cricket, then the total strength equal to 100 by 40. When 160 boys play cricket, then total strength equal to 100 by 40 into 160. So I will get 4, that is 400 student. That means total number of student is 160, 40 student, 400. Okay, total, this is total number of student. Total number of football players, total number of football players. This is the first question. Total strength, what is the total strength of the school? Total number of student in that school equal to 400, and the next question is total number of football players. Total number of football players equal to total strength in 60% of total strength, that means 240. Okay, you will see these types of sums, and I am ending here.